Hi friends, Mrs. McBride here. I want to do a quick demo for you. All right, so I want you to play along here. What I have is a blank sheet of paper and also a book. As you know, this is about all this book is good for. Just kidding. Okay, so I'm going to drop both of these things and I want you to make a prediction in terms of which one is going to hit the ground first. Okay, you got it in your head? How many people think it's the book? How many people think it's the paper? Okay, so if I drop these two things, let's see what happens. All right, and the book hit the ground first. Now, why do you think that the book hit the ground first? You might be saying, well, the book is heavier, okay? It's more massive, and that's why it hits the ground first. All right, second thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the piece of paper and I'm gonna put it on top of the book. And I want you to make a prediction about which one is gonna hit the ground first. Obviously, the book, because it's lower, but which one of these will happen? So choice one is, as this falls, the paper sort of like goes down like this. Choice two is that they will fall directly down like this. Okay, so make a choice in your head. Is it choice one or choice two? Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Did you see that it was choice two, that the paper fell right on top of the book? Well, why do you think that happens? Okay, well, think about it here. Last thing I want to do is I'm going to take the paper and I'm going to crunch it up into as small as humanly possible, okay? And now, same question. Which one is going to hit the ground first? The book or the ball of paper? All right, how many people think it's the book? How many people think it's the paper? How many people think it's something else? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. What happened? Hopefully you're saying to yourself, they hit the ground at the same time, which is weird, right? Because we would expect that things that are heavier will hit the ground first. But what actually happens is that all objects of any mass will hit the ground at the same time in the absence of air resistance. So by taking our ball and crumpling it up into, by taking our paper and crumpling into a ball, we took away the air resistance, so those things will fall at the same time. By putting the paper on top of the book, we also took away air resistance, which is why you saw those two things fall at the same rate instead of, fluttering down, okay? So what this tells us is that all objects, no matter what their mass is, in the absence of air resistance, will fall at the same rate.